Hit a frost mat. Listen! An enemy combatant just hit a frost mat. Listen for the res. It's gonna sound like this. As soon as you hear that noise, sprint up the staircase and collect a double kill. Haven't heard it yet. Haven't heard it yet.
Friendly remaining.
Take me back to when people were this bad at the game. Oh my god! They literally shot one bullet at him. They literally shot one bullet at him. That's fucking insane, bro. What a shitty clip. What a genuinely shitty clip. Alright. Thank you, Xbox, for not working, bro. I genuinely appreciate that. Thank you so much. Much love, my brother. Chad, do I have good veins? This is a byproduct, of rigorous gaming and rigorous masturbation. Mixed feelings from Illinois. Why can't you send love from Illinois? Why does it always gotta be some bullshit, bro? Just be like, hey, Jinxie, I'm sending love from Illinois. Why does it have to be hate? Sending hate from the moon. What is this, chat?